Hello friends, myself Archie Doshi from Standard 7th and I am going to read essay on Save Water, Save Life. Now I am going to start. Mother Earth has given many gifts to us and water is one of those precious gifts. It is quite hard to imagine our life without water. Water is needed for all the plants and organisms to survive on this planet. Earth is known as a blue planet due to its tremendous amount of water content. Almost 70% Earth's surface contains water, but we can use only 3.5% water. This 3.5% water is known as fresh water that we get from rivers, ponds, groundwater, reservoirs, etc. In this current situation, water is a basic need. And in a COVID-19 situation, it assumes a critical role in ensuring recommended hygiene protocols related to hand wash and clean drinking water. This will put the more pressure on water scarcity. We should use the water for washing hands to stay safe, but it doesn't mean we should waste water. But instead of we should save in other forms. The need for efficient water management can as a critical agenda for post-COVID-19 reform. The unfortunate thing is that the fresh water sources are ending up slowly. This is a big reason to worry that may lead to a water crisis in the future generation. It has been assumed by the experts that by 2050 the increased pollution will result in a 19% increase in agriculture water consumption. Water saving is a universal responsibility for every person who lives on this earth. In order to save water, we should adopt various means that can help in maintaining the level of fresh water on earth. In the past years, we have saved water not as much, but some people have done great, not more people, but we can say out of 100%, even 1% of people have done, and that's a great job. But we know nothing happens from 1% ratio. All should done this, then we can see a more better tomorrow, but still we can say it started with 1% and we hope for more until 100% ratio. For this, we should spread more awareness among people by government, social medias, news, TVs, radios, etc. sources as much possible. It is much more important to save water for our future. It is the part of our life to save water. Because there is no water, no life. There are slogans like Jal hai to Jeevan hai. Save water, save life. But they are not only slogans, but it has a deep message to understand the seriousness of water conservation. Water is the main constituent of life. Except it is our basic need to alive. There are various ways to save water. Turn off the water taps properly after use. If there is leakage in any pipe, make sure to mend it properly. We can shut off the sprinkler system when it is raining. Watering the plants should be done in the evening. It minimizes the evaporation process. Try to reuse water already used if possible. For example, hand wash water but not more dirty can be used for watering plants in garden. We can save water through rainwater harvesting. Running water can also be stored by making dams. Stop water pollution to save water from contaminants, toxins and chemicals, etc. We celebrate World Water Day on 22nd March every year. It is an excellent opportunity to raise awareness about water saving. No life without water. Conservation of water is needed for every purpose to protect the environment and actually to save the planet. We need to make efforts to conserve water to secure our present and more importantly our future also. Mother Earth has done a lot for us so far. Now this is our turn to protect Mother Earth from destruction. Still, we have some hope we can stay safely ward what remains we have for the betterment of mankind and the environment as a whole. Thank you.